In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a logo in Canva. Whether you're just starting your business or looking to refresh your current branding, Canva is a user-friendly platform that offers an array of design tools at your fingertips, even with its free plan. First, head over to canva.com, or you can open the Canva mobile app if you prefer. Once you're there, look for the sign up or login option. Canva makes it really simple to get started, allowing you to sign up using Google, Facebook, Apple, or your preferred email. Remember, even though Canva offers a premium plan, the free version should suffice for most logo designs. Now, from the Canva homepage, we need to click Create a Design and then choose Logo. This selection will open up a blank canvas which defaults to the logo size of 500 by 500 pixels. It's the perfect starting point for a logo design. If you're not sure where to start, you might want to browse through Canva's extensive collection of logo templates. Under the Templates tab, click on Logo Templates and explore until you find one that aligns with your brand style. Whether you're aiming for something modern, minimal, playful, or professional, there's a template to inspire you. Simply click the template of your choice to apply it to your canvas, and remember, you can customize every element of these templates to make them truly yours. With your base template selected, let's move on to adding or editing text. Click on any text box to input your company name or a slogan. If you wish to add more text, head over to the Text tab where you can insert headings, subheadings, or body text. Canva offers hundreds of free fonts, allowing you to tweak the style, size, color, and spacing until it matches your brand. Keep readability in mind, especially for small sizes. Now, let's dive into the fun part, adding icons and graphics. Click on Elements and then Graphics/Icons. Here you can search for keywords related to your business like construction, coffee, or tech to find suitable icons. Once you've found what suits your needs, drag them onto your canvas. Resize and position them as necessary, and adjust their colors and opacity to blend seamlessly with your brand palette. Choosing brand colors is crucial. Click on the elements or text to tweak the colors. Canva Pro users can save these using the Brand Kit feature, but a simple palette of 2 to 3 colors usually works best. Before finishing up, it's essential to adjust your layout and alignment. Canva's alignment guides can help you perfectly center your text and icons. Aim for balance between the size of the icons and the text, and resist the urge to overcrowd your design, as simplicity leads to a more memorable logo. Once everything looks perfect, zoom out to preview your logo. Check its appearance on different backgrounds, white, black, and colored, to ensure everything is clear and legible. Finally, let's download your logo. Click Share and then Download. Use the file type based on your needs. PNG is ideal for web use and transparency, while SVG is great for scalability and print, although this option is available only in Canva Pro. If transparency is required, don't forget to check transparent background. Once you're ready, hit download, and you're all set with a professional logo to represent your brand.